Hello, I'm going to be showing you how to make a face covering out of a sock. It's really easy. All you need is a pair of sharp scissors and a preferably clean sock. Now recently I found out that the wool socks work the best because they shed less, while the polyester socks shed much more. In my case, I'm using a pair of one athletic cotton sock. My sock is actually really long, so I can actually get two face coverings out of this one. If yours is smaller, you can still get at least one face covering. So the first thing that we're going to do is you're going to cut the toe part of it off. In my case, it's already a little darker in color, so it makes for a very nice straight line. And this leaves a nice little opening on the one side. And then you want about 7 inches of material so it goes nicely across your face. Okay, so I'm going to go in about 7 inches. So now I have about a 7-inch rectangle. And let me just mention that the part here by the calf that's a little bit less elastic, we just throw that out because it's not going to work very well across your face. So I'm going to put the extra one aside. And now the next thing we're going to do is cut 2 little slits on either side of the sock. We're going to come in about 3/4 of an inch from the end, and we're going to cut about 3/4 of an inch as well. Okay, just a little nick. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left hand side. These are going to end up being your ear hooks. Okay, and we're done with that, and you can see that it's already shedding, but that's all right. What I also like to do is put a paper towel inside because I feel a little bit better. And we're just going to tuck it in here. Now I can go grocery shopping without being turned away for not having a face covering. Okay.